Good morning everyone. My today's topic is respiratory system. Respiratory system is a group of organ and tissue which help in breathing and respiration. Respiration is a pattern of exchanging the gases which include inhaling and exhaling. Anatomy of respiratory system classify into upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract includes nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and lower respiratory system includes bronchioles, alveoli, and diaphragm. First is nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, the nose is external organ of respiratory system involved in inhalation and exhalation. And septum separates the two nasal cavities, and function of nasal cavity is entering the air, helping humidity and warmth filter. Olfactory receptor are help to smell the various smells. And second is mouth. Oral cavity, air entering during inhalation and exhalation. Third is pharynx. It is a muscular tube that connect the nose and mouth to the larynx. Common pathway for respiratory and digestive system. It is 12 cm long and its function is pass the air and food. Contain lymphoid tissue, help to fight for the infection. And next is larynx. Larynx is also called as voice cord, or it produces sound. It is cartilaginous organ, help for reproduce the sound. It is present in neck, third and fourth cervical region. It produces the sound through the vocal cord and vibration of the air from the pharynx and larynx. Then trachea. Trachea is also known as windpipe, and which connect the larynx to the bronchi. It is 10 cm long, composed of 16 to 20 shape, made up of cricoid muscles. Physiology includes the inhalation and exhalation. It is a process of taking air into the lungs and keeps airway open. Generate the cough reflex. Next is bronchi and bronchioles. Bronchi are a tube that extend from the trachea. It passes the air, and bronchioles lead to alveoli, pass through the air into the alveoli gas exchange. Next is alveoli. It is a tiny sac where gas exchange is occur. Alveoli are capillary. There are two types of alveolar cell, and they are thin and other are thick. Physiology: exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is a function of alveoli. Next is lungs. Lungs present within the thoracic cavity, pair of cone-shaped cavities responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. Anatomy includes the right lung is larger than the left lung, and the total weight is 1.1 to 1.3 kilogram. Then parts includes apex, base, costal, meristem. Lungs are also known as pleural layer. There are two types of layers, includes parietal layer and visceral layer. Parietal is outer layer and visceral is inner layer. Then there are two lobes, right lung and left lung. Right lung having 3 lobes and left lung having 2 lobes. Then diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that separates the cavity from the abdominal cavity and help in contraction and relaxation. It increases the volume during expiration and inhalation. Its mechanism of action includes the process of exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide from the air to the lungs, and steps involve inhalation, exhalation, and gaseous exchange. That is inspiration. Then inhalation includes the oxygen, passage of oxygen to the lungs, and Exhalation includes the removal of carbon dioxide from the lungs. Inhalation process occur in ribcage. They expand and intercostal muscle contract and expanding the ribcage. And exhalation includes the diaphragm relax and dome-shaped thoracic cavity is relaxed. Then air leaves through the alveoli. Thank you.